Hi professionals, this is Utkarsh Rai and today I am going to talk about 7 career mistakes to avoid. I have interacted with thousands of professionals and many of them are quite good and had a lot of potential. However, their career did not progress the way it should have. Why do good professionals face roadblock in their career? I have reflected my own journey and juxtaposed by observing others and thereby nailed down 7 career mistakes which one should avoid. Interestingly, none of these mistakes are related to domain or subject skills. So watch my video till end to know about these 7 career mistakes which are mentioned not in any particular order because each one of them is very important. And if you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, then please do it. Also watch my playlist of video on topics around career, including how to build multiple careers. First mistake, underestimating the power of soft skill. Your attitude, your interpersonal relationship, your communication, your ethics at work matter a lot. This is not an understatement. Let me share a story of 3 professionals whose career path I have witnessed in the last 3 decades. Professional number 1 had a great IQ from top college but was a solitary worker. Professional number 2 had equally good credentials, had good social etiquettes but pessimistic worldview and negative attitude during crisis. Professional number 3 was having good IQ but having a very high EQ and adorable soft skills. In the first decade of their career, first and second rose faster than the third, but from the second decade of career, the third overtook. He became VP and CXO, where the first 2 get capped at mid-level. Many beautiful careers get stalled due to lack of good soft skills. Soft skills trump subject skills after a certain career level. So you should pick up 1 or 2 behavioral improvement areas every year based on feedback or your own self-assessment and try to improve upon. Second mistake, premature specialization. In this century, there is a race for specialization because significant compensation gap and career prospects exist between specialist and generalist. As per HPR 2018 article, when generalists do better than specialists and vice versa says that the slow-moving industries like oil and gas and mining hire more generalists, where fast-paced industries like quantum computing or gene editing hire more specialists. As per author David Epstein in the book Range, domains like pattern recognition or repetitive motions are most likely to get automated. Automation is taking a toll on many of the specialist areas, and it is high time we should look into what professionals used to do in the last century. Many of them are generalists and they shine. Initial few years of everyone's career is a foundation year. During this period, you should focus to explore on your interest areas and check how much is your level of interest. If you are passionate about something, follow the same path to know the extent of your own passion. It will take few years to identify few areas where your interest level is high and then see whether they will be going to get automated. If yes, then choose some other areas, start going deeper and get specialization. You have to repeat this process with every turn in your career. Third mistake, jealous of others' journey. People waste time biting nails and feeling jealous about others whom they consider inferior. This habit of jealousy started from the day one joins professional world, first by comparing with their batchmates and then by comparing with their colleagues. Learn from their journey and also see their inherent strengths and weaknesses which played a role in achieving the result. Tweak the learning based on your own inherent strength and weakness and take that career journey. This is going to help you in your career growth. Fourth mistake, obsession with compensation. Do not take a job just based on compensation. Instead, look into it where you are going to get a lot of learning opportunity and also keeping you abreast with the industry trend. There are some companies who are paymaster. They give fat pay package to trap the employees but provide less learning opportunities. With a lag of time, when the salary gap reduces between their company and other companies, they start to look out and they couldn't find any new job opportunity. Salary differentiation across companies are not significant in junior level, but skill-based differentiation in compensation becomes higher in mid and senior level because pay for performance starts to kick in. You should look for job which is going to provide you plethora of learning opportunities. This is going to help you in longevity of your career and also higher wages. Fifth mistake, lack of mobility. Many people enter into comfort zone and they just do whatever is been assigned to them and they started to face class ceiling. Be flexible in changing locations, job functions, team, taking up additional responsibility, filling up during your colleague's absence and volunteering. This is going to provide you competitive edge in your career. Sixth mistake, lack of having a good hobby. By working 24/7 for longer period is not going to help you in your career. Dr. Kevin Eshelman, an assistant psychology professor, has done a study by correlating work performance with hobbies, and he found less relevant the activity is to the person's profession, the greater the impact on the workplace performance. Not only workplace performance, but hobby is also going to help you in keeping good mental and physical health. Seventh mistake, lazy in networking. Network is your net worth. You might be having thousands of contacts, but if you are not talking to them, interacting with them, and keeping in touch with them, it is of no use. You should also network with people who are at different stages in their career. Even in this digital world, company insights, opportunities, and referrals work only through network. So professionals, you have seen how these 7 career mistakes play havoc in one's career, and I hope you are going to avoid it. And also I hope that you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.